Merry Christmas. It is about 2 weeks away from Thanksgiving. Landon and I just got back from Disney World. And I decided it's time to decorate a little for Christmas since we have to undecorate anyways, do a deep clean. So I'm gonna clean and decorate. Say hi, honey.
Hello.
I'm gonna clean and decorate the kitchen, the powder room, and maybe that back room, which we've gotten some stuff out. So come along, it's Christmas time, 2020. One of my favorite things to do when I get back from vacation is to do a deep clean of my fridge and just get things organized before I go grocery shopping again. You ready to do some cleaning for Christmas? All right, let's do it.
I knew it was so funky.
You do?
Oh, my mouth.
They really know when you are busy, don't they? But I did not mind the kiss and tickle break from cleaning. And I do need a new cleaning bucket. We only had a big mop bucket, so that one worked. And one of our last things for our remodel is going to be doors and windows, but I cannot wait. And we're going to do like black windows and doors. I have wanted to put a runner in this area, I just hadn't got around to it. So I thought I would get a Christmas rug from Ruggable, which is those washable rugs. And they actually sent the wrong one, so they're like, keep that one, we'll send you a new one. And I just love it because it is washable, but also it doesn't move around. The whole thing attaches to the mat, and it's really comfortable. It doesn't slip. How cool is that? Are you ready for the most magnificent Target find outfit ever? I don't know how it took people this long to come up with this amazing outfit. What? Okay, it's Sunday night. We went to Target today. I could not find garland for the kitchen, so I had to order it. So we're gonna put a hold on some of the kitchen decorating and proceed when that garland arrives. And let's try to figure out something to do with this mantle in my awesome house. This brings me so much joy. Probably because it's 2020. Okay. Look. Oh, look at that elf. All right, Landon, this is what I'm thinking.
No.
Like this. Do you like it like that? No, you don't like it like that? So this will go here. So it says believe. You like that? Kind of a simple mantle. It says peace and joy. That birch is really pretty, but it's hard to wrangle. The candy cane hand soap from Whole Foods smells so amazing. Landon loves to wash her hands because of it. Do you know who that is?
Mommy and Aunt KK.
That's Mommy and Aunt KK, Aunt Robin, and Aunt Cindy, Dee Dee. Does that look like you a little bit?
Hmm.
It kind of does.
And this is me.
Oh, you think it's you? That was Mommy when she was a little girl.
And I didn't take it, and she was the girl.
Look how beautiful. It looks fantastic. I decided to relocate the coffee station over underneath the microwave. It isn't ideal, but it's fine for the Christmas season. I found this pre-lit garland from Target online, and I thought this was a great little area to set up for my North Pole houses. My parents started giving them to me when I was really young.
Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. For every year this Christmas tree brings to us